Watch out, bowlers. There's a gale warning from the Caribbean. You better pray. There's a storm headed your way. Hail to the Caribbean king, Gayle. His blazing bat will never fail. He hits the ball with a mighty wallop to score at will on a gallop. He holds his bat like a club to give the bowlers a drub. They wring their hands in despair as Gayle the king shows his flair. Hail Gayle, he won't fail. He's on a victory trail. Like Aladdin's genie in a kingfisher bottle, he's always going at full throttle. As his fans raise another toast of beer, he gives them plenty of thrills to cheer. If the raga's too slow, try a reggae. If the bhangra's rough, try merengue. Switch your beer for Jamaican rum. The cherry to him is like a plum. Hail Gayle, he won't fail. He's on a victory trail. His score keeps rising in fours and sixers. He silences his critics and the match fixers. There's no stopping him in top form. Gayle's another word for a run storm. Gayle's my man, and he's no snail. Watch him hammer the final nail. He's a winner in the run chase. He's got everyone in a daze. Hail Gayle, he won't fail. He's on a victory trail.